Strong start. Hello, hello. How y'all doing? I have cat. You want to greet the people of Twitch? Ah. Needs to be. All right. That's good. That's good. It's here. I think we're good to go. How we all feeling? We're working on our little overlay RPG. Once again. Sure everything is set up. Damn. Yeah, I know. Yep. I'm sorry for the chaos and inconsistency with my streams. Life's been chaotic and inconsistent. I'm traveling across the country next week, so preparing for that and everything, and then just life in general. But doing the best I can to still be consistent. Yes, hi. I know. Hello. Okay. So, a few things that still need to happen. For one, we need to finish setting up the avatar prefab itself. Oh, right, let's just go background, avatar, foreground, because you never know. And let's make sure that this guy is in avatar 0. And that hat is in avatar. Right, so there's one thing I want to do. And it requires me to copy and paste something. So we'll sit tight for 1 second. This is fine. It's projects. It really does not matter. Or not. Assets, scripts. There we go. That's what I need. Yeah, so we're gonna... this sucks. This is terrible. It's bad and it should feel bad. I knew that when I did it. So we're gonna change it. What does data handler actually do? Oh, yeah. Just that. Let's make a folder called managers. That should be in there. Yes. Does this do anything? No. Thought I got rid of that. I mean, clearly I did, but... Okay. No. Right, so now let's just create something called... call it items manager. We'll make it a scriptable object. What are you doing? That. Go. Manager. System. Okay. And then we're going to go to our game manager here. take this, put it here. And they behave. Dictionary, string sprite. Right. Still gonna be mad about that. Yeah. So we can't do that. But what we can do is call the crow hats by name and then make public void. Initialize. And do that. And then same thing. Go here. Get rid of this. And the reason we're putting this into a separate script, there's two reasons. One is just having your game manager actually handle this stuff is generally just not very good practice. It makes the code more messy, it makes it less manageable. The other thing is that we're probably going to do more with items and cosmetics, so having them all in one place that's outside of the context of the scene just makes more sense. Seems like a better option. Right, so we have all that. Let's throw a bump one. I love you too. Okay. And then that. But here's the other thing. If we put in a bad name, then this is going to cause some problems, isn't it? So we need to figure that out as well. Yeah, I have some thoughts on how to do that, but first of all, let's this all up. This no longer exists. And then what we're gonna do is just add a private items manager. And public static. There we go. Okay. That's all good to go. This is all fine. Okay. Now, you're gonna be mad about this. Game manager. We literally replace instance. Items manager. That works. So this should always be correct. Ericmus? Erkimus? I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce that. Welcome to the stream. Should have done a thing. Don't know why. Whoa, my crow. Yeah, you are. You are in fact a crow. Hang on, let me restart StreamerBot because a thing was supposed to happen there. Hey Prosto, how's it going? Good to see you. Am I logged in? Yeah, okay, weird. So, Erkimus, however you say that. What's supposed to happen? Hi, sir. You were fully blocking the camera. What's supposed to happen when you join is this.
Erkimus, I think. Or however you say, welcome to the Cult of Death. I am your benefactor, the Dread Man himself. On this day you may ask anyone, with the understanding that I may ask something of equal value in the future. Do you accept these terms?
Yeah, you accept? Okay, cool. Sir, you are interrupting cult activities. Come here.
The contract is sealed. I am far less intimidating. But what would you have from the Cult of Death? Ow. Okay, anything. Just, okay, that's fine. It'll just be on my shoulder. More cowbell. No naughty with you. I really should be able to make that happen. My pastor, you already got your boot. God damn it. You can't have another one. That's not how this works. don't know if I can get into Meow. That's not... It's not necessarily how cat works. They won't always be looking at you. Want to meow for me? Hey, he meowed! Oh, I picked it up. Want to meow again? If I annoy you a little bit? No? No? So one meow per day? Okay. Hopefully the mic actually picked up the meows, and I'll think of getting another one. You're gonna meow again? No. He's not very tough. Master Keith 117 has entered the cult. Master Keith 17, welcome to the Cult of Death. I am the benefactor, Dreadman himself. On this day you may ask of me one boon, the understanding, or I may ask something of equal value in the future. Do you accept these terms? That's not very good. There, that is technically more count. Ergamus, your boon has been achieved by the fact that there was 0 count, and now there's exactly 1 count. More count has been achieved. The stream has devolved into chaos. Master Keith 117, if you are still here, let me know about that boon. But I am gonna turn off
Old mode now because it's getting a little ridiculous. Technically correct, the programmer way? Yes, exactly. This one gets it. Seriously though, like, am I saying your username correctly? Is there a correct way to say it? Like Urkamus, yeah, Optimus Prime, Urkamus Prime. But is it Eric? Like, I don't know, man. What you working on? No boon. Fine. Oh yeah, I'm Eric. Okay, so it's Ericamus, right? Ericamus Prime. Got it. Or just Ericamus, but yeah, got it. Okay, cool. Yeah, thanks for stopping in, or thanks for joining the stream. In all seriousness. Yeah, Master Keith, I am working on a Twitch overlay RPG. Sir. Yeah, so I'm basically making something like stream avatars, but I'm making my own version of it so that I can make like my own mini games and stuff. Rune. God damn. This is Rune's stream. I'm just... This stream belongs to my cat. I'm guest starring on it. Cool idea. Thank you. Yeah, so the goal is to basically... I'm basically building RuneScape in Twitch so that you can just type in chat commands or use extensions or however, and grind out stats, and then those stats will allow you to do different activities. And for example, I want to make it so that when people raid the stream, it becomes like a team deathmatch where the raiders get their party and then we have our party. And then they like battle it out, and if the raiding party wins, then the raider, whoever raided the stream, gets VIP. I want to do another one that's like a coup where for a ridiculous number of channel points, you can start like a boss fight against me. And everyone can decide if they want to like defend the cult or attack the cult, and if the attackers win, the stream just actually ends. Just stuff like that. Oh yeah, within Unity though, yeah, I've been a Unity. I'm primarily a Unity dev, and so it's just what I'm familiar with. Stream Avatars was also made in Unity. TwitchLib, which is what I'm using for Twitch integration, has tools specifically built for Unity, so it was just... I've seen people do it with Godot, and I will switch to Godot at some point in the future, but right now I'm using Unity because the main games that I'm working on were in development in Unity when the whole controversy happened, and I'm not going to restart those entire projects to build them in Godot. Anyone who was already working in Unity and has, you know, a partially finished game in Unity, it's advised you just keep going in Unity because you don't want to lose all that work, and whatever happens is probably not going to cause the entire thing to collapse before you can, you know, finish whatever. You guys, can you not be on the keep? Yeah, this is a cat stream, everybody. I'm just here, clearly. Do you prefer TwitchLib over Unity SDK? Yes, Unity SDK kind of sucks. It doesn't... TwitchLib gives you all of the functionality that Twitch has to offer in terms of its API. Unity SDK does not, in my experience. There are certain things you can't do. So I wanted to have all of the functionality possible so that if I decide to do anything with it at any point in the future, I can just do that. Right, so this is all good. Interesting, yeah, I was just on stream yesterday where we were comparing the two. Good to know. Yeah. I didn't, you know, I haven't... I tried both, and honestly, I tried both on a very rudimentary level, and I found that the functionality I could immediately access in TwitchLib was much better. I could be wrong in terms of how deep the Unity SDK goes, but from just the surface level look at it that I gave, there were certain things I immediately tried to do that I wasn't able to do. So either the documentation is just less clear or it has less functionality. Either way, I prefer TwitchLib. TwitchLib also has a Discord server where you can just go and ask, you know, give code samples and ask questions, and people will help you out. Pretty much, you know, when I was first getting everything set up, I got answers within like a few hours. So that also makes a huge difference to me if like the devs are really easy to get a hold of. Especially, neither is super well maintained, but TwitchLib definitely, the documentation is pretty out of date, but the fact that I can still, you know, get a hold of people to ask them questions made it really easy. Right, so we're making the actual avatar AI now, which we're going to be using a state machine for, but I'm forgetting something. Right, so for now, we're going to leave the hat as it is. We need to make a bit more logic to this so that when people actually change their hat with commands, it it returns invalid if it doesn't work. So yeah, we'll figure out exactly how we want to do that. But first things first. Right. So let's get the actual prefab finish setting up. Right. Fix the box glider. Gliders aren't that important, so I'm not really gonna worry about if it's exact, but definitely call that good enough. That goes there. Right, Avatar Animation Manager, we need to set all of these up. Default grow, run, go idle, go jump, fall, grow sit, grow unsit, default Raven, run, idle, Raven jump, Raven fall, Raven sit, Raven unsit. But what if you want physics birds? There will be some physics for sure, but they won't collide with each other or anything, so that sort of collision isn't gonna be super important. Moderator. Run, idle, jump, fall, sit, unsit, streamer, run, idle, jump, fall, sit, unsit. Yeah, so what I'm working on now is basically getting this to the same level of functionality as Stream Avatars, which we're close to. Right. So here's something I don't know why I don't see more people do, but makes sense to me. No. Amber. Please do not sit on my keyboard. Right. So we're gonna go here. I do not know why this wouldn't be serializable. I'll see people making it serializable when they do state machines in this way, but there's no reason it shouldn't be. Right, so we need to just program the logic for most of this. Falling, running, idle, jumping, all right, so now grab this. Let's make a public enum state command. We're just gonna say this is just gonna be jump. We'll have none jump sit. And then private state command commanded state equals state command dot none by default. Then the public state command commanded state get state set and state equals failure. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna rearrange these just so they make more sense in my brain visually. Let's actually have one more and we will call it cancel. Okay. Yeah, falling's not a command. Falling is a state for logic with like animations and stuff that I'm going to be putting into my own, but it won't be related to any commands. Okay, consider me QA. Yeah, what's running right now is just the actual Stream Avatars app, which you can get on Steam. I will be probably beta testing mine in the next, hopefully in the next couple days. Okay, so idle state. I need to see. Yeah, I need to check on something in just a second. But in time. No. Sacrifice 2. Int. Next time. Right, we'll give these default values of let's just say like 3 to 10. Start with. These shouldn't be ints, these should be floats. We're gonna be. We want bigger randomization than that. Okay. Let's just. Right. Field private state. Idle state equals new. Or no. We don't even need to make it new. Can you scale yourself up with that? Are you scaled up? I can't tell because you're behind me. Doesn't look like it. Moderator only, Yeah, so I can do it. I'll let you be big for a while. Why not? Okay. State, idle state. Oh wait, no. So we do want this to be equal to new idle state. Actually, no. We'll just do that. This feels bad, but I just want to see if this even works. Okay, it does. I couldn't remember if the if inheriting a serialized class, major class serialized. It does not. But if I do that, there we go. So now I can set these values. Cool. This is gonna end up being massively long, but that's fine. Okay, so let's just make sure all of these are serializable. I think I have the fire command disabled because I don't have an animation or anything for it. I believe that's something I did. Okay. So, on. Override. Shit. Right. So these all need to be virtual. The attack should work. Did it work? I wasn't paying attention. So on interstate, we want to say avatar dot like manager. The idle anim. Yeah, it's on flying. Nice. Right. And then we want I don't know how the quote thing works, to be completely honest. Right. Float. Timer. 0. Timer equals random dot range. Right. This is ambiguous. Unity engine dot random. We want to do range for min time. Next time. I'm not sure on that one. Yeah, I'm not sure either, honestly. Shit, well, I mean, if the 8-ball has decreed. It's a very quiet cowbell, but it exists. Okay. Just bear in mind, this cowbell is going to rupture your eardrums, but here's your second cowbell. As the 8-ball has decreed, you got 2 cowbell. Cowbell can never be too loud. Glad you think so. Right, and these do need to be public because, yeah. Okay. Right, void. On update state. And... oh, right, this is the other thing. User avatar. Physics material. This needs to be here. Do we not have reference to Rigid Body? Yikes. There isn't any gear to buy. If you scroll down, the avatar extension should be active, and that allows you to change your hat. In theory. Yeah, we don't have reference to Rigid Body, apparently. Well, this thing's more complex than I thought. Yeah. The only thing it can't do is make custom minigames, which is the one thing I wanted it to do, and that's why I have to make my own. I even contacted the dev who made the Stream Avatars app, and I was like, hey, can I buy like a license to just get to your actual code base so I can just add functionality because you're most of the way there for what I want? And he said no. So it's like, okay, I guess I'll just do it myself, which is fine. I mean, you know, it's well within his rights to say no, but wish I could have just done that. Okay. Avatar dot b dot shared material equals material. Yeah, which should make him stop naturally. Similar story with Mortal Kombat for me. For some reason, they're really protective of it. I can't tell if that's a joke or if you actually like are someone who I meet people through this on a regular enough basis who just like casually. Yeah, I figured you were kidding, and like normally I would assume that, except I've met people through my streams that just casually throw out there of like, oh yeah, I met this, you know, I'm friends with this incredibly important person, or I worked on this insane project, and so now I never know. Let's see if timer is greater than 0. Amber, stop it. You're okay. Yeah, lots of talent on the internet, yeah. You meet a lot of cool people, which is great. But also you get surprised sometimes. Timer minus equals time dot delta time turn, after which we want to say avatar dot switch state to right. No, so these actually have to be public. Or no, not this one. this one. So up here. Yeah, I'm not sure how that one works, how well that one works. A lot of these I just haven't played with at all. Right. Public, running state, state. Running state. They want public. On exit state. Although I guess we don't. Do we actually need to do anything when we exit idle? Timer is fine. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Chief literally used that phone from the asset store. Yeah, this is the default one stream avatars came with. I assume it's a free asset or common asset to find. Do I need to do anything on exit idle? I guess not. Yeah, we should be fine with just these. And we just enter the running state. But we do want if avatar dot commanded state command dot dump and avatar dot switch state avatar dot public dumping state I'm not sure we even need a jumping versus falling, but it might be something I use later, so. Public state. Okay. Avatar dot state equals state command dot and then we basically just duplicate all of this except sit public sitting state there we go. They could glide back down. That's what I thought. Yeah, well, the idea of, yeah. The idea of having a falling state is just to tell it when to switch from the jumping animation to the falling animation. And then if you want to do anything else weird with the physics or only allow certain commands to happen while you're falling or whatever, that's kind of the idea. Because the point of a state machine is you can only enter some states from some states. So from idle, we can enter the running state, we can enter the sitting state, and we can enter the jumping state. But let's say you're in the jumping state. You shouldn't be able to enter idle from jump, right? But you should be able to enter idle from fall, because once you're falling back down, once you touch the ground, then you return to idle, right? You shouldn't be able to sit mid-jump. You shouldn't be able to sit mid-fall. And you shouldn't be able to jump while you're jumping or falling already. So from falling, you can enter idle, and from idle, you can enter sitting, but you cannot enter sitting from falling. And that's the point of a state machine, is you limit when the controller can do what. And the idea behind having this enumerator with these different state commands is if this doesn't equal none, it will execute whichever of these options as soon as it enters a state where one of those options do something, and then it'll reset it. And if you do, let's say you do ! jump while you're already jumping, you'll just jump again as soon as you enter a state where you can jump. Or let's say you do jump, and then you type in jump again while you're still jumping, and then you type in sit before it can jump again. Well, now the queued up command has been replaced with sit. And so you've canceled it. And so now you'll sit the second you're in a state where you can sit. Or let's say you type in jump twice, you realize you don't really want to jump a second time. Now you can do cancel. Obviously for these, this isn't super consequential, but when there start being a lot more states, you might want to, for example, I'm going to have commands for doing things like mining, sparring, practicing magic, that sort of stuff that will increase your stats once per whatever tick. So being able to queue up like the next action or cancel an action will be really important with those, because you might want to mine and then something happens to where you want to do something else, and so you just do ! Cancel. Now you stop mining, now you can start on your next task, right? So that's kind of the idea. You have multiple for a combo. Yeah, there's a world, right, where technically speaking, and I wonder if I should just do this out of the gate, I could make a list of this, right? But I think I don't really want to, and I'll explain why, actually. Queuing up like 2 is fine, doing one and then queuing up another one. But the whole point of a chat-operated RPG is to get people in chat, right? It's to get people to engage with the chat. It's to give people more reasons to be in chat. If you're in chat typing in commands to control your little character, then you might chat other things too. You're more likely to engage with the community, and that's kind of the whole idea of this. It's to have a fun thing that attracts people to the stream, obviously, but then the other aspect of it is it encourages people to engage with chat. And engagement is good. So the problem at that point, if I let you just queue up a bunch, I don't want people to, so let's say that mining lasts 30 seconds and it gets you 5 gold or whatever, you know. The scaling will be whatever it is. That means every 30 seconds you have to reinitiate the task to keep grinding that task, right? And that's kind of the point, is making someone chat every however often. If I let you queue up too many, that not only defeats the purpose of that, it also gets really annoying because it means that someone could just type in !mine 100 times and just absolutely flood chat with spam, which first of all is probably, I have auto mod disabled, but it's still like Twitch will still just ban you for that. Sometimes that's a thing that can happen. But it floods chat. It's annoying, and it kind of defeats the purpose because you could do that and then just leave and your character would idle. And I don't want people to be able to idle the game because that just kind of defeats the purpose of having an interaction element to your stream if people cannot interact with it, right? So a lot of reasons that I'm not going to make it so you can queue up that far in advance, but you know, having one is fine. Especially because it's, let's say you're jumping and you want to sit, you can sit while you're jumping, or, you know, whatever. It's the things that, because there are states where you can't necessarily do something, just letting it play out is for the best. Let's see. I need something else. I just realized. Public. Finished. Returns anim.get current. Innovator state. Info. Zero dot normalized time is greater than 0. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense. My long-winded explanation of that. Yeah, that all made sense. Okay, good. Actually, wait. We need to do one other thing. So you're planning to put this up on a server? Sounding like you will store data per user. I won't need a server. It's all just going on a JSON file on my computer. The amount of data, even if I had 1,000 users, is so minimal because it's just ints and strings that I don't need to host it on a server. If it ever were to get so massive that I needed to do that, it would mean the stream is so successful that that renting server space to keep an actual database would be trivial. But for now, storing it on start, the application just loads all of the user data into my RAM, and then on application quit, it saves it all into a JSON file, and that's perfectly fine for the current scope. I think 100 avatars would still be like 10 megabytes worth of memory being used. It's like, it's so minimal. I think less than that even, but yeah, so it's not a big deal. Right. So what we're gonna do is if yeah, you just scrape of OSRS wiki for all quest data. It's like 200 gigabytes. Yeah, exactly. Rune, god damn it, sir. Yes, I love you too, but please stop stepping on my keyboard. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Sir. Mission group, stream, streamer, okay. What is it? Anim dot... current animator state info. His name. And then we'll just have a private string. Current animation name. And then what we want to just play idle anim on initialize. An animation name equals group dot idle anim and dot name. Yeah. Now we just say is name so if it is not the animation that it's currently supposed to be playing, then we return false. There we go. So animation finished. If the name is not the current animation, if the name of the animation currently playing is not the animation we just triggered to play, because animations start on late update, so this just ensures that we're not returning true on the frame before the animation actually starts. And then if it is the correct animation playing, then we check the normalized time. If it's greater than 0, that means that the animation is played at least once, which means that it's finished. We don't need all of that right now, but we're going to need it in a moment. So it's good to get it out of the way. Is chat available when you're not streaming, like on the Twitch profile page? Yes, it is. Most streamers set chat to being emotes only when they're not streaming, and I will probably do the same as I grow. The reason for that is that you as a streamer are held responsible for what is said in your chat. It is my responsibility as the streamer and any moderators that I employ or whatever to remove any hateful or offensive content, to remove any content that would violate Twitch guidelines, to keep everything, you know, safe and clean. And that responsibility does not go away when I am not streaming. So if someone decided to come into my chat while I'm not live and spam the N-word, they can do that, and I could potentially get in trouble for it. So I'll likely be changing it to emotes only, because you can't moderate it when you're not there. But you can still be held responsible for it. So kind of a bad deal, but running states. Pivot. Actually, we can mostly copy this. Yeah, we can mostly copy a lot of this, actually. Largely similar things are happening. Play, run, anim. Running material. About this. You can't see it because my background removal is taking it out, but both cats are currently taking up my entire desk, and it makes it very difficult to work. Okay. Don't think I have hugging enabled. I think all of the ones I didn't have animations for, I just disabled. Yeah, maybe not. I guess it still does the heart things. Okay, never mind. Cute. Okay, so that's fine, that's fine. Running material's fine. For now, we won't worry about like wall detection and all of that. So what do we need? We need realize field, float, acceleration. Private float. The stream avatar's output save data also then? Yes, but it is stored on a server. A certain amount of server space comes with the game when you buy it, and then you can buy more with DLC as well. Max speed. Okay. So on update. Loading state. That's it. Oh, that's another mod only. Ah. Can only throw myself, apparently. It's still funny, but okay. That. Man state. Right, those are fine. We want to switch to idle state. It's private int friction. I know there's an easy way to do this. Okay. Well, fuck it. Let's see. Var value equals random dot range one three. Yeah. Make sure it's an int. Access exclusives, that would return either a 1 or a 2. Direction equals value equals 1, then -1, else 1. Yeah, I have no idea how the quote works. Sorry to say. Okay. Right, Floyd. Fixed update state. Avatar dot add force. Vector 2 right times friction times acceleration r.rb velocity vector 2 dot plant magnitude max speed. And then you face right by default. You do not. Right. That. Do that. Right. Let's real quick. Give you canvas name. Put in world space. Right. Actually, no. Don't even need to do that. How it knows how high the taskbar is? It doesn't. I just made the bot. I tricked it basically. Here, I can do that. I basically just resized the source in OBS to make it stand on the taskbar. So I thought it was cute. Hey, sir, no. You've lost your desk privileges. Okay. So, my ADHD is really fucking showing today. Let's feel private. Name tag. Start. Name tag. World camera. Camera dot name. was the other thing? Do that. Fell out of it. Position it right here somewhere. Like that. Then this gets a Text Mesh Pro with a tiny font size. This could be a decimal value, right? And it's here. Just do that. Hang on. Let's see. There you go. Okay, so the maximum is 25. So let's just go. Rune, no. You're fine. Just can't chew on my cables. Okay. This is the theoretical limit of how big a Twitch name can be. Should it split into 2 lines at that point? Probably. What if we just make it smaller though? I think that's probably going to be too small, though. Like if we... Yeah, that's definitely too small. So let's go back to this. Make it 0.1. This. It actually fit. Yeah, that's just perfectly fine. So, yeah, let's do that. I can live with that. Your name is 25 characters long. It's gonna look like that. And that's perfectly fine with me. That. And then we can actually remove feed. That's gonna be handled elsewhere. Good. Okay. Let's go. Let's field private. Sprite renderer. Sure. That a getter. Okay. Head out. Good luck with the project. Thanks, man. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you. Hope you have a good one. Okay. We clamp it to max speed. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it. What I should do... Let's see, switch state, new state. Yeah, what I should do is I should make on exit states. Let's see. This. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. That's... But this seems fine. So we're good there. Let's go to jumping state. Avatar dot animation manager dot jump anim. And then I guess we want field float force search. Force play champion. Avatar.rb dot head force. Vector 2 dot up times jump force force mode 2D inputs. Then public updates. We only really want to update this once per physics check. Anyway, if avatar.rb.velocity.y is less than 0, avatar.switch state, avatar.falling state. And we'll call this equal to 10 by default. And then from jumping, you shouldn't really be able to do anything else. I don't think. Yeah, no, that should really be it. And falling state, override interstate. All we really want to do is avatar dot animation manager dot play fall anim. What do you think about this? I wonder if move direction should be... Might want to put that on the avatar. Yeah. Public int move direction, hit set. Then we can do that. Then we can go in here, add layer. We already have ground. Just add wall. Let's see. Just 7 and 8. Go static. Utils. 6 utils. Oops. On a behavior anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Static. Static int round layer 7. Click. Click. Wall equals 8. Go back to user avatars. Look cool. It's grounded. Give it set. On collision, enter 2D. If collision dot lighter dots object dot layer equals physics utils dot ground layer is grounded. True. If collision dot object dot layer physics utils dot wall layer move direction equals negative RB dot velocity equals new vector 2 v dot negative v dot velocity x RB dot velocity dot and then a private void on collision exit 2D if collision collider game object layer physics utils dot ground layer is grounded equals false. There you go. Now we play fall animation. And we say override on update. If avatar dot is grounded, avatar dot switch state, avatar dot idle state. Then finally sitting. Update state. I guess neither of these actually need to be serializable either, since they have no serialized data. Avatar dot animation manager dot sit anim. No wait, this is on state. Override update state. We just want to say if avatar dot animation manager dot animation finished if we just return otherwise. If avatar dot commanded state command dot cancel or avatar dot commanded state equals state commanded dot set. Then we avatar dot switch state, avatar dot idle state. Let me make sure of something quick. Wait, current state on exit state, and then on enter state, and then we switch. Okay. But we don't want to call this over and over again if it's currently switching. So I guess what we want to add to our set F update state is private rule. Expected rule is switching. If it's switching both of these. Amber, you're okay. This. Then we say we switch and we say is switching equals true. On top level. Yeah, it's default. Fine. Okay. You're okay. You're okay. Right, since falling and sitting. Okay. Is switching equals true? Okay. Public override on exit state. Sync. And we want to say avatar dot animation manager. Unset anim. While avatar dot animation manager. While the animation is not finished, we want to await task dot delay. And then we want to say is switching is false. And the state should be done. All right, all of that should be good to go. Sir. Okay. So the actual AI should be done. Let's commit that. Now, what's this? Get chatters. Right, so on initialized. Yeah, so let's do a couple things here. Rune. Okay, so everything. Could you stop being a menace, please? Okay, so unuser joined is great. Right. So go through all of this. Get rid of that. And let's just go async task try spawn avatar user. Right, you want this to actually be A equals first. What is it? There it is. Okay. So we do all of this. Then we just want to say if dot avatars by ID dot user ID. Okay. And then let's just right. And we already do all of that, so that's fine. Need this right now. But let's see. That's on chatters. It. And we want to go game manager dot API instance. Helix, I think. Helix dot users maybe. No. No, that won't work. So it's all in a DLL. Let's see. Ads, analytics, bits, channels. No. That dot. Get generous. There it is. Okay. Game manager dot secrets dot user ID. Okay. So moderator ID can just be the same thing. Game manager secrets dot user ID. $100 is fine. Maximum number of items returned per page, and the response to the minimum page size is 1 item per page, and the maximum is 1,000. The default is after search use to get the next results. List of users that are connected to the broadcast. Okay. No. Game manager dot secrets dot broadcaster access token. I think. The ID in the moderator ID query matches user ID in the access token. Oh, so I can, since the bot is a moderator, I can use bot ID and bot access token here. Okay, what does this return? Letters. Oops. Response equals wait. Okay. Response dot theta 0 dot user ID is a thing. Oh wait, you actually get user IDs for each of these? I didn't think that was a thing. Just see what actually happens with this. What do I get? What? Oh, you. Yeah. Try that again. Okay. Response data is 5. Okay. Yeah, that all seems to work. I guess I'd still rather get the full user, though, using the login. Just in case I need... I guess I really don't, do I? Yeah, but I still use the full user. And I might want it for whatever reason later, so getting the full user is probably best. Yeah. So I'll just do that. Right, so this is done. Let's just... the only thing missing is... Let's grab this. Manager no longer has. Annoying. But it's fine. Do it again. Let's lock this in place. Assets, sprites, mats. No. God damn it. That. that, 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 that. Okay. Lock that. Go to scriptable objects. Go to manager. Drag items manager into there. Go to prefabs. Avatar into there. Should have done this first. It's fine. Oh, acceleration, make 5, max speed. Yeah, I'll just do 5 and 5. No. Let you go there. Toss you right there. Okay, so now that's all set up. Okay, so now we're just gonna go for each object in data. Oh no, that is a check. Okay, for each jetter. See in fonts dot data. Switch API utils dot get user by name. C dot username. Right. What does this return? User. U equals that. U dot. Or no. Wait. Try spawn avatar. There we go. This is 16 by 9 by default. That never quite left, which is annoying. Just work. And we don't even really care if this is quick and dirty, as long as it works. There we go. All right. So now, in theory, we should be checking this, and then all of our guys should just spawn. The avatars, by default, are inactive in the prefab, which is funny. Now let's try it. Okay. They're mad about some stuff. Let's see. My data, game manager, users by ID. ID should exist. Given key 0 was not present in the dictionary. 0. Okay, why is it 0? Should not be 0. See what's going on there. Okay, so ID exists. Why do you think that this is not accessible? Okay, so we put in user ID. Display name null, hat name null. It's fine. Okay, so that should work. And who is this specifically? User ID 8382. 832 is audio drive. Okay. That's fine. Oh, I guess that's the first question. Is start getting called. Start's probably getting called before. Oh, yeah. Yeah, of course. No, wait, this is obvious. I understand exactly what's going on here. This should not be start at all. This should be public void initialize. And then in here, we should do all of this, and then avatar dot initialize. Happening here? Right. Right, what am I thinking? You have to, if name equals null, then we just journal. Okay. Oh right, we gotta do the physics and all that. Okay, so first of all, edit project settings. Just make sure that avatar and avatar. Wait, no, we already made sure that avatar and avatar can. Avatar is not on the avatar layer. Yes, change children. Make the text blank by default. And then, yeah, we never did the physics materials. So let's do those real quick. Create 2D physics material. Running. And that's just 0. You're okay. Hey. Do idle, and we'll just give that a friction value of 2. I'm going to stop pretty quick. We can change these, tweak them as needed. Idle, running. Now let's just try that. Okay. So for one, they're obviously way too fast. And also, they don't switch directions. So let's fix both of those things. Sprite render dot flip x equals. That's easy. Prefabs, avatar. So your min time. Min time, max time is fine. Okay, so let's make acceleration like 1 and max speed. Here. No. Let's go like 2. See how that is. Okay, so we can probably reduce the friction a little bit on the idle one. Let's try like 1.5. Okay, so far, works. Let's do one other thing, though. Let's go to Avatar Animation Manager. And on initialize, let's just go anim dot speed. Actually, float f equals random dot range. Let's just specify that equals Unity Engine dot random negative 0.1 f 0.1 f. Oops. Speed plus equals. And then let's also just this isn't a huge deal, but make float f equals random dot range. Negative 5. New. To F row. That. I think vector 2 is fine. I think the idle could be slower. But that's fix. And I'm not super worried about it right this second. Okay. Client dot on oops. Let's see. Announcement. And on bitspatched here. Change shot command received. Community forward, community connected, unconnected error, disconnected, duplicate. Existing users detected. Received. Whisper received. So it's good to know that's a thing. actually know what that is. Let's just see. Chat message and let's just see everything that we can do on top level here. Get join to channel, get type, initialize these connections. Join channel ANSI, join channels. And there's all of those. Replace, whisper command identifiers, Twitch usernames. Right, and then there's some message. Previous whisper reconnect. Replace emotes, replace emotes. Good item. Set connection credentials, Twitch username. Okay, what's this? Oh, damn it. Okay. So this determines what makes it a command. So you would just put like an exclamation mark or whatever in that. Connect async connection. Disable it. Wait, on message received. Isn't that just... Hang on. I think this is what I want. Okay. client. It's just client. Events. Maybe. Well, let's see. Journal, maybe? No. Well, we want that, but I'm more worried about this. Chat message. So we can get the chat message, but not the user. Which isn't super helpful. Wait, yeah, what? Chat message, commands. This also doesn't give us the user. So there's got to be something I'm missing here. That message. Oh. Oh, no, no, no. This has a way more. Okay. It's just that's object under guards. Okay, we can, yeah, literally get username and user ID directly from this. So that's totally. username. User. And then manager. Users by ID. User ID. Show display name equals true. And then let's just do a public void name manager dot users by ID won't let me do that, will it? Must be compiled, yeah. So we will just make it all by default. Say if no. Actually, no. Do string name. Just go. My name. Go in here. The display name equals true. Avatars by ID. Update display name to user dot display. Okay, I'm gonna test this real quick. And I'm gonna end the stream. Okay, so now if I chat something, it makes my display name show up. Chat something on my alt, makes the display name show up. Cool. And now, if I close out of it and start it again, it should have saved that information. Yep. Now we have display names. Some more stuff I've got to set up, but this was a really good chunk of progress. Happy with this. It is now almost 1 a.m., so I'm going to go to bed. To those of you watching live, thanks for watching, thanks for hanging out. I have a Discord linked down below, either in the buttons if you're on Twitch or in the description if you're on YouTube. So definitely go and check that out if you would like to join my community. If you are watching this in the future on a VOD and you would like to catch a live, you know what to do. Subscribe, follow, depending on what platform you're on. And with that, I will see you in the next one.